guys, if you didn't know, I was actually an educator for almost 10 years and I absolutely loved it. I get asked all the time what are budget-friendly teacher appreciation and end-of-year gift ideas. So in today's video, I want to show you some favorites that I promise as a former teacher will wow your teacher, and everything can be done so affordably. At the end of the day, truly, all your teacher is looking for is a heartfelt note from your child. I still save all of mine and they mean so much. Maybe a gift card thrown on top if you want to. But I also think things for your child's classroom, teachers love getting those, and you can make such easy DIYs using basic dollar store school supplies. Like I said, I would have loved all of these gifts. One last minute afternoon, I got together with my assistant Jess to make it happen.
That's such a good idea.
First up is super easy ruler crafts. These are just 47 cents a piece from Walmart, and these are things your teachers will use for years to come. Cutting down these rulers is really easy. Just use an X-Acto knife, go over it a few times, and gently break in half. Then go over it with some sandpaper to file down the edge. And if you make a mistake, no worries, we promise it's fine. Oh, I messed it up. Of course.
We can still cut that off.
Yep. Add a rubber band to an old soup container and place your rulers around.
Nice. Perfect.
Put a dab of hot glue on the can to secure down. And careful, these dry really fast. For a glam touch, add a piece of painter's tape and a couple coats of chalk paint. These are perfect for planting flowers or even to use as a pencil holder. I would love to get a gift like this, and I would use it all the time. And the sky's the limit when it comes to ruler crafts. I took an old milk container and cut down some rulers, and glued the milk container to a bit of balsa wood and added the rulers using hot glue. You could paint this, but I decided to stain it using a gray finish. This turned out beautiful and is the perfect planter for succulents. Next are crayon crafts. These are so fun and so easy, and the perfect way to make a monogram for Carson's teacher. All you have to do is cut down the crayons in the shape of a letter, and I decided to freehand this. If you're not very good at that, go online. There's tons of examples of all the letters of the alphabet, so you can figure out where to cut the crayons. Use an X-Acto knife to do so, and you can always file them down extra if you need to. Add a bit of hot glue to the back of your crayon and attach to cardstock. I put this in an IKEA shadow box frame, and this is the perfect gift. All of these are just a few dollars each. And the sky's the limit with crayon crafts too.
So I used 2 hoop wreaths. I got these on sale and they were under $1 each. I used 2 for stability.
Glue the crayons down in a fan shape and make sure that the bottoms touch.
Ultimately, what we're going to do is cover that up with a second layer of crayons, so you won't see it at all.
Jess and I both agreed this craft is awesome. We just couldn't agree how to say crayon.
Crayon.
Crayon?
Yeah, crayon. Crayon. Crayon.
Either way, this craft is great. Add some dollar store embellishments. Your teachers will love it. And as your kids grow up, don't discount the beauty of awesome kid stuff. And look at it go. Wow, looks amazing. Lego tissue box holders are so boss.
A gift for my teacher. It's a wrap thing around a tissue box.
To make this holder, you need 19 studs of bricks by 19 studs of bricks, and it will fit perfectly around a small tissue box. I would have loved this in my classroom. What a statement. If there's a teacher that has ever impacted you in your life that you love and appreciate, definitely leave this video a big thumbs up. I'm so grateful to all the educators out there who work so hard for our kids. Thank you. Be sure to subscribe if you're brand new, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. I need to bring you on set for all these, Bennett.